Hello everyone, welcome to Pop channel. Today we need to assemble the animals from the puzzle. Whoa, look at these. Let's assemble the lion first. Let's put the pieces in the right place. Oh, it's the head. Where should I put it? Right, nice. Now, let's take the mane. Where is it? Right, let's put here. Now let's find the body. Yes. All right, let's put it here. Whoa, we got the lion. Next, let's assemble the giraffe. Let's find the first piece of the puzzle. That is one. All right, we found the head. Yeah. Now, let's find the forelegs. Can you see it? Great. Here it is. Let's put it here. Now, we take the last piece. It's the hind legs. Very good. And wow, nice. We got the giraffe. Now let's assemble the frog. Let's take the face. Not this one. Yes, you're right. We found the head. Now let's find the eyes. Let's dig the first one. Very good. Yes. Now let's find the second eye. Wow, right. Let's put it here. What's next? Wow, we found the arms. Very good, let's put it here. Now let's take this piece. It's the tummy. Oh, nice. And lastly, we need the legs. Let's take the first one. Here it is. All right. Now let's find the second one. Right. Great job. We got the frog. Next, we have the elephant. Let's find the head. Not this one. Yeah, right. Well, very good. Now let's take the ear. Whoa, nice. We put it here. Very good. Well, let's find the body. Yeah, right, let's put it here. And now we need to take the last piece of the puzzle. Yes! Whoa, we have assembled all these animals. And now let's assemble the animals from the puzzle. Here we have a bee first. We are to find the head, not this. What is it? Yeah, wow, this is the head. Let's put it here. Next, let's find the body. Right here, yeah. Nice. And now we have wings. Let's take the left wing and put it here. Now let's find the right one. Now this. Where is it? Right. Very good. Let's put it here. Next is the smaller right wing. Yes, you're right. Great. And the last piece is the smaller left wing. Very good. We made the bee. Next, we have an owl. Well, let's go to find this piece first. The head. What is it? Yes, here we have the head. Let's put it here. Now let's take the body. Whoa, very good. Next we have the wings, not this one. This one. Yeah, this is the left wing. And the second one, the right wing. Here we are. Yes, and now we need to find the last piece of the puzzle. The hold pose. Very good, we got the whole. Wow, we complete these puzzles together. Thanks for helping me. Subscribe to the channel and press like. Bye bye.